Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for Shopify dropshipping. Let's get started. So in here, you can actually use ChatGPT in order to make a dropshipping business on Shopify. So let's try to head over and ask ChatGPT first if it knows dropshipping. So let's ask this. Do you know dropshipping? So ask this question, and then as you can see, it will respond that it is actually familiar with dropshipping. Now that we have known that ChatGPT is familiar with it, we should be able to use it in order to integrate dropshipping to our actual store. So let's just put in here a query that I have. So for example, we can have this. I have a Shopify store which dropshipping suppliers should I have? And then in here, it will actually put in here some suggestions for you to integrate. So they have here AliExpress, Overload, Printful, Dova, Salehu, and some more right here like Spocket, Wholesale 2B, Model List. And you can actually make sure to select or search for it on Shopify. So let's search in here for AliExpress. So let's head over to our Shopify. Scroll down until you can see this apps. Click on this all recommended apps. Under this, just scroll down until you can see the Shopify App Store. Now it will open a new tab, and let's search in here for AliExpress. So let's search in here for AliExpress right here, and then from in there, you should be able to see some apps that actually supports AliExpress. You can choose teasers, Zopi, and all the things right here like this SD right here. So you can also use this Overload and Printfuls. For example, searching here for Overload. And from in there, you can actually see if Overload is supported on Shopify. So as you can see, it is actually not supported. So we can head over and then try a few more options that ChatGPT gave you. For example, the Printful right here, you can see they have Printful, so you can actually integrate that to your Shopify. Now, for example, we actually want to use AliExpress. So what we can do is we can head in over and then click and search for the app that we want to integrate for us. So for me, I actually want to integrate a certain app that I have in mind, which is the CJ Dropshipping or the Deezers. So for me, let's head back to our store. And I already have Deezers. So let me just head over to our settings. And from in there, I can see everything right here. So once you're in here, you can see this apps and sales channel. You can see in here that I already have this CJ dropshipping as well as AliExpress dropshipping for Deezers. So let me just click on the three dots, click on open app. But if you don't have it yet, you can actually install it on the Shopify app store that I have showed you earlier. So on this Deezers right here, I can actually connect my actual Shopify account to the Deezers account that I have. Click on open Deezers right here, and this will direct me to the Deezers.com that I have in here. So let's just wait right here to finish the loading process. And in here, you can find in here some suppliers. So let's click on this find suppliers. And then in here, let's try to scroll down, or you can also search for specific things that you want to dropship. Like for example, you want to drop ship some eyeglasses. You can search for that right here. And then this will provide you some products that you can actually add to your store. So they will provide you these things. So let me just click on this right here to add this to the import list. And as you can see, it will be imported. So let me just head over and check on that. And then as you can see, let's click on this one right here. And click on push to store. And then in here, I have the store already created. Click on push the stores right here. And once you have done that, it will be pushed to your store. You can see in here the status is actually being loaded. And as you can see, once it's been imported, you can head over to your store at Shopify. Click on product. Then from in here, it will load for a while. And now you can now see the Shopify dropshipping that we have actually added using the ChatGPT and Deezers. So that is the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.